Om Shanti 2/4/1984 अव्यक्त बाप दादा मधुवन. The importance of the point. Today the Father, the bestower of fortune, has come to meet all his fortunate children. The Father, the bestower of fortune, is showing all you children the extremely easy way to make your fortune. Simply know the account of the point. The calculation of zero is the easiest of all. Know the importance of the point and become great. All of you know very well the account of the easiest and the most significant point. Do you not? To speak of zero and to become a point. Become a point and remember the Father, the point. You were a point and now remain stable in the stage of a point and celebrate meeting the Father, the point. This age of celebrating a meeting is said to be the age of the flying stage. Brahman life is for meeting and celebrating. Through this method, whilst performing actions, you always experience the karmatit stage of being free from any bondage of action. You don't enter any bondage of action, but always remain within all relationships with the Father. Karavanhar Father makes you an instrument and makes you do everything. Therefore, you yourselves become detached observes, and this is how the awareness of this relationship makes you free from bondage. When you do everything in a relationship, there is no bondage. When you think I did this, you have forgotten the relationship and created a bondage. The confluence is the age of experiencing the stage of freedom from bondage. Having all relationship with the Father and of being liberated in life. Therefore, check whether you maintain all relationships or whether you enter into bondage in a relationship. Because of love, there is attainment, whereas in bondage, there is a tug of war, and because of that tension, there is the upheaval of sorrow and peacelessness. Therefore, since the Father has taught you the easy account of the point, then any bondage of the body has also ended. The body is not yours. You have given it to the Father and it is therefore His. Now, your original bondage of my body has also ended. Would you say, my body? Do you have that right now? How can you have a right over something you have given away? Have you given it or have you still kept it as yours? It is not that you say it is yours and yet you still believe it belongs to you, is it? When you say yours, then the bondage of any consciousness of mine ends. The limited mind is a thread of attachment. Whether you call it a thread, a chain or a string, it ties you in bondage. When you say everything is yours, you forge a relationship. The bondage breaks and becomes a relationship. Any type of bondage, whether it is of the body, nature, sanskars or subservience of the mind, proves that something is lacking in having all relationships with the father at all times. Some children remain free from bondage all the time by having all relationships with the father, whereas some children forge a relationship according to the time for their own motives, and this is why they remain deprived of receiving the unique spiritual pleasure of Brahman life. They are then neither content with themselves nor are they able to receive blessing of contentment from others. Brahman life, the life of elevated relationship, is the life of receiving blessing from the Father and the whole Brahman family. Blessing means good wishes and pure feelings. Your Brahmans have taken birth on the basis of Bap Dada, blessing and good wishes. The father said, "You are a fortunate, elevated, special soul. It is with the awareness of these blessings and wounds, that is, with these good wishes and pure feelings, that you Brahmans took a new life and a new birth. Always continue to receive blessings. This is the speciality of the confluence age. However, the basis of all of this is the most elevated relationship. In 1 second, the relationship ends the chains and bondage of the consciousness of mind. And the first form of a relationship is the easy aspect. The Father is a point, I am point, and all souls are points. Therefore, it is an account of a point. The ocean of knowledge is merged in this point. In worldly calculation, to a point makes a 10 into 100 and 100 into 1000. Continue to increase the zeros and continues to increase the number. So, what is important? It is the point. Is it not? Similarly, in Brahman life, the basis of all attainments is the point. Even uneducated people are easily able to understand a zero. No matter how busy someone is, how unwell or weak his intellect is, anyone can know the account of a zero. Mothers are clever in calculation, are not they? So, always remember the account of a zero. You have reached your sweet home from all the different places. Bap Dada is congratulating all of you children for making your fortune. You have come to your home. This home of yours is the home of the best tower. Your own home is the place that gives rest and comfort to both the soul and the body. You are receiving rest and comfort, are you not? You have double attainment. You receive rest and comfort, and you also find Rama, so that is double attainment, is it not? Children are the decoration of the father's home. Bap Dada is looking at the children who are the decoration of the home. To those who are always free from bondage by having all relationship with one. To those who experience the Karmatit stage. To those who always know the importance of the point and become great. To those who constantly receive the blessing of good wishes and pure feelings of contentment from all souls. To those who give such blessing to everyone. To those who always consider themselves to be detached, observes and perform every action as an instrument. To those who constantly experience such unique spiritual pleasure. To those who always live a life of pleasure. To those who end all burdens. To such constantly fortunate souls, love, remembrance and namaste from the Father, the bestower of fortune. Bap Dada meetings Dadis. Time is going by at a very fast speed. Just as time is going by at a fast speed. Similarly, all Brahmans are flying fast. Have you become so light? Double light. There is now the special service of making others fly. Do you make others fly in this way? With which method are you going to make everyone fly? Whilst listening to the classes, they have become those who conduct classes with whatever topic you begin. They will all have points of that topic even before you begin. Therefore, have you made a plan as to which method you will use to make everyone fly? A method is now required to make everyone light. It is this burden that makes you go up and down. Some have one type of burden and others have another type of burden. Even if it is the burden of your own sanskars or of the gathering, no burden will allow you to fly. Now, even if some are able to fly, it is with the power of others. For instance, when you make a toy fly, what happens? It goes up and then comes down. It definitely flies, but it doesn't fly all the time. Now, only when all Brahman souls fly can they make all other souls fly and enable them to come close to the Father. There is no other method apart from making other fly and also flying yourself. The speed of flying is determined by the method. How many tasks have to be accomplished and how much time do you have? Now at least 9 lakh Brahmans are needed at first. In fact, the number will be greater, but when you rule over the whole world, there will have to be at least 9 lakh. An elevated method is required according to the time. The elevated method is the method of making others fly. Make a plan for this. Prepare small gatherings. It has been so many years since the Avyakt part began. So much time has gone by in taking sustenance from the corporeal form and also from the Avyakt form. You now have to do something new. Make a plan. The cycle of flying and then coming down has now ended. There are 84 births and the cycle of 84 is remembered. Therefore, in the year 1984, only when you end this cycle will the discourse of self-realization brings souls at a distance close. What have they shown as a memorial? That the discourse was sent while sitting somewhere, and the discourse of self-realization itself brought souls close. He himself didn't go, but he just used his discourse. Therefore, only when all this spinning is finished can you spin the discourse of self-realizations. So, now in the year 1984, adopt this method so that all limited cycles end. This is what you have thought of, is it not? Bap Dada meetings teachers. Teachers are those who are in the flying stage anyway. To become an instrument is the method for the flying stage. So, to become an instrument means that, according to the drama, you have found the method for the flying stage. You are the elevated souls who always attain success by using this method. To become an instrument is to have a lift. Therefore, those who reach somewhere in a second by lift are those in the flying stage. You are not in the stage of descent. You are not those who fluctuate, but you are those who save others from fluctuating. You are not those who are affected by the heat of the fire, but you are those who extinguish the fire. So, using the method of being an instrument, attain success. To be a teacher means to have the feeling of being an instrument. This feeling of being an instrument enables you to attain all fruit automatically. Blessing. May you be a number one victorious soul and with the awareness of the one word point. Protect your mind and intellect from any negative influence. At present, the influence of Maya especially creates negative feelings and motives in your mind and ends any real realization. Therefore, adopt the method of safety in advance. The special method for this is just the one word point. If any thoughts, words, or deeds are wasteful, put a point to them and you will be able to become a number and victorious soul. Recognize the forms of Maya. Recognize the session and keep yourself safe. Slogan. Those who have attained the elevated fortune of service at the confluence is our multi-million times fortune. Om Shanti.